live kitchenette red carpet menu where I take the Best Picture nominations of Oscar and turn them into delicious dishes. This year's menu is not only my 30th, but it's got a Latin-esque flair. For our second appetizer, for the substance, we have the Spudstance. New potatoes with an avocado sauce and an injection of lime. Substance was a whacked out movie that I enjoyed so much. Demi Moore, amazing. Margaret Qualley, fantastic. Dennis Quaid, I have to say the last thing I ever want to see is seafood in his face and that close up. We've got some new potatoes that have been slit down their backs and infused with some avocado sauce. I leave it to you to inject it with lime juice. Squeeze that in. I think I'd like to order some of the Spudstance, please. Kitchenette, a little kitchen with a lot of flavor.